everyone. I'm Emily McMaster, the Communications Director for Granite State Ambassadors. And this year, Granite State Ambassadors is coordinating the New Hampshire Farm, Forest, and Garden Expo for 2022, which will be taking place on February 4th and 5th. And we're very excited for this. And today I would like to introduce to you someone who's involved with the Expo. Michelle Bursat works for the UNH Cooperative Extension through the 4-H program, and she also coordinates the Kidzone. So Michelle, thank you so much for being here today. And why don't you tell us a little bit about what is Kidzone?
Kidzone is an exciting part of the Expo. It's a part that I've been involved with for about 4 years now. It's a spot on the Expo floor for families that can come in with their youth and enjoy interactive activities that are all based around agriculture. And it's a spot for our kids to come in, learn about agriculture through hands-on activities. So everything in there is designed for kids to get hands-on with, dirty, touch, feel, play with. We want things to be picked up and touched, and there's facts in there and activities and ways for them to interact and to learn about agriculture in that way. So that's the idea behind it.
Well, that's great. It sounds like a lot of fun for kids and families, so that's good. Now, who sponsors or presents Kidzone?
So it takes an army or a village to do that. So there's a lot of support and work that goes in behind that in a lot of different ways. So in there, you'll see a lot of volunteers in there. So you'll see New Hampshire 4-H themselves, the New Hampshire 4-H Ag Ambassadors are in there and helping and supporting that area and sponsoring that area, both with monetary donations as well as their time and support and efforts. The New Hampshire Division of Farm and Forest and Lands are in there, and they're helping support activities around there and also with their time as well. Blue Seal Feeds of Bow, New Hampshire has supported and provided materials to be in there as well. And as well as there's also then the generous supporters of our Expo in general, Leaf Farms and Granite State Dairy Promotion, and all that help make the Expo itself happen, and us allowing us at the space to be there as well. So it takes a lot of work to be there. And then we have our general 4-H families as well that come in and support and help assist families in engaging in our activities too. So we have a lot of volunteers that you'll see within the area coming in and supporting the activities.
Well, that's great to hear that lots of people are involved in it, and that makes it very successful. And so we'd love to hear a little bit more about what types of activities are included in Kidzone.
Absolutely. So there's an array, something for everyone, I think, happening. So there's some make it and take it that'll be happening. So there's some wood art activities going on. So come on down, you can make acorn wood string art, and that's with some New Hampshire actual wood from New Hampshire. So we're using New Hampshire based products around that and some education around that and stuff too. There's a chance to make your own pine cone bird feeders to take home and actually feed some wildlife, a chance to take home some seeds to grow your own pizza garden right in your own window at home. And then there's also some activities that aren't ticket but integrate, you can engage right there with some take your time and chance and skill to practice some skills grading maple syrup. So maple sugaring is a big part of New Hampshire history. In addition, we see the steam rising here in the springtime. So we'll have some samples there for youth and families to practice grading their own syrup and see what that's all about and what that process is. So there's activities like that. There'll also be a chance to try your hand at milking a cow. So come on down, you can see what that is like. So there's a little bit of everything, and there'll be some poultry activities. I don't want to give it all the way, but there's all things like that. There's something going on all the time and something for everyone.
Well, all of those activities sound like fun. Is there any sort of schedule?
So there's not a schedule, something happening on the art. It's something going on all the time. So the activities are there, they're set up. There's most of them, they're all self-guided, self-led. So they're there, interactive, there are instructions to happening. And as I mentioned, there are 4-H families and volunteers there to help guide and answer questions, but they're there. So you can come in as a family and interact with the activities and stations that are there at your leisure. So you don't have to be there at 10 o'clock at a certain time to catch one thing. You can come in, and if you're not there right at one time, it's still there for you to take advantage of. So don't worry about missing something. The activities are there and they're ongoing throughout the entire time that the expo floor is open.
Well, that's great to know. And the entire expo is a lot of fun and great for families, but why would you say that Kidzone is an important part of the expo?
I think it's important. It's one of the times that some of our families, it's some of the only time that they actually get to interact with some of the agricultural commodities that we have here in New Hampshire. So that's an important piece for us in the 4-H programming that we do. It's an opportunity for us to engage with our families and to have that connection to our food and fiber systems. So that's an important piece of the programming that we do. And it's that hands-on interactive piece. And also there's a lot of interaction that happens between peers to peers. So I mentioned that we have 4-Hers who are coming in. And so it's a really great time when we see our young teenagers that get to help out and interact with some of our younger youth that are coming in with their families. So that's an exciting piece of the Kidzone, and to see that happen with peer-to-peer interactions. And the other part, it's a great time, a great way for our families to engage and learn about a really strong, rich history that's here in New Hampshire in agriculture, that families don't always get to have every day. Not every family lives on a farm or is right next to a farm or realizes all that happens. So it's a great way to come in and learn a little bit about, how agriculture does touch your everyday life, and to have that piece. So I think it's an important piece, and it's a really exciting way to do it.
Absolutely. It's I think one of the favorites of the kids when they come to visit. Absolutely. So what would you tell, if you could share a message with families and those who attend with children, what would you say to them?
I would say to definitely plan to hit up Kidzone and plan to spend some time and come back. And plan, I think, to engage as a family. I think I noticed that the parents have just as much of a good time in the zone as the kids do. And we have families that come back year after year and they're excited, and we've added new things. And they come back multiple times in the day. And also that for families, I know I have young children of our own, and the expo floor can be overwhelming sometimes, but use it as know that that's a space for those families to come to relax a little bit, take a breath. And it's a space we want you to engage. Don't worry about kids picking up things and making messes and stuff too. That's what that space is for, and for families to really utilize that space and to have a good time in it. So just know that about that space. It's a welcoming space, and we want families to engage in that space in that way, and be sure not to miss it.